Oh hey, I'm Dr. Jacinta DePrinzio from OpenSpace Healing, Fremantle's hub for all things chiropractic wellness, and today we are back in my kitchen making a delicious recipe. Now, if you know me, then you know that I am a recovering sugar addict, and to be honest, I do still have a bit of a sweet tooth. And so during my journey of moving away from processed sugar to more natural sugars, I have found a whole range of different beautiful dessert alternatives, and I really want to share one with you today. So this one is my absolute favorite go-to dessert, and it is a chocolate vegan avocado mousse. The best bit, it only takes 5 minutes to prepare and only uses a handful of ingredients. Well, that's it from me. Why don't you go ahead and give this recipe a try? And remember to share this video with those who you think would benefit, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And remember, by healing yourself, you inspire your tribe and transform your world. See you next time.